is almost here and I'm so excited. It's my favorite holiday. And as I'm checking off my list, getting ready, I thought that I would share with you a quick, easy recipe using our family's favorite, local Shem Creek oysters. So this is a different way. Everybody goes to oyster roast and we know how fun that is, but let's take the oyster roast inside. I've got some raw oysters here and I'm using 1 to 2 oysters per shell. You can do any combination. You could do spinach, you could do breadcrumbs, but today I've got some bacon that I'm gonna top them with, a couple of green onions, and lastly some Gruyere cheese. We're gonna put these into a hot oven, about 425 for about 8 to 10 minutes. Bake them until they get nice and bubbly and a little brown on top. This is the perfect holiday appetizer.